All right, so that is Coach Kemi Magic Wheel Cleaner and CarPro Retire. You can see how great of a job these two products already did. Basically, without touching the wheel, we just scrubbed the tire. But this wheel is already looking pretty clean. It's not completely clean, so what I do next is I take, this is Brake Buster, P&S Brake Buster in an IK Foam Pro 2 Plus. I'm gonna foam it, use my brush to get into the barrel of the wheel, and then I use my mini wheel mitt to get the face of the wheel. All right, next thing I want to do, since it's springtime, I want to give the undercarriage of the car a good rinse. I'm going to do this with this chassis cleaner. These are now back in stock. You can get these in our store or on our web shop. All right, so I'm filling up a new foam can here. I just used, this is Coach Chemie Pre-Foam Efficient. This is a high alkaline pre-cleaner. It's kind of similar to what I used in last week's video, Coach Chemie Vorreiniger, but this also has some insect remover inside of it. So this is great to use during springtime or summertime. I'm gonna be washing with CarPro D-Scale. Also gonna put it in a foam can in here. All right, there we go. Give it a shake. Here we go. All right, so I also put some D-Scale in my wash bucket here for this contact wash. And so you might be asking, why D-Scale this time? I did notice a little bit of water spotting on the windows, as also on the paint. And D-Scale is an acidic shampoo, so it should do a good job at hopefully removing any water spots. And then also, this is meant to be like a decon wash, spring clean slash decon wash. Using D-Scale just seems like a good idea to me, so that's why I'm using it. And if you're a long-time subscriber of the channel, you might be thinking you recognize this car, and that's because I've worked on it a couple times, and I think I have like 3 videos on it. And these customers actually had their car ceramic coated about, I think it's 4 or 5 years ago. This one was actually one of my first Seacourt's finest projects. So, and this coating is still holding on pretty well. And that's also because, you know, every now and then they just bring in the car for a coating maintenance is what we call it. So this basically is a checkup of the coating. It is a 4 or 5 year old coating, so they also maintain it pretty well. And you know, besides that, they don't drive a whole lot. So yeah, Seacourt's Finest is doing a great job here. All right, so time to rinse it. What I'm gonna do next is do a chemical decontamination with an iron remover and a tar remover. So I'm going to be using these two. This is P&S Iron Buster. This is the tar remover from Coach Chemie. I'm not going to be claying this car, and that's because there is a coating on here. I don't want to potentially damage the coating. So no claying, just a chemical decon with these two. So I sprayed down the entire car with the iron remover. I also did the lower sections with the tar remover. Now what I'm going to do, since these guys are longtime customers of mine, there's no window coating on here. I'm going to surprise them with a window coating. So I'm going to be polishing the glass with the Glaco Glass Compound Roll-On. And then, you know, once the car is rinsed off, dry, I'm going to be putting Ultra Glaco on here. Little surprise. car is rinsed off, time to dry it. This is the liquidator towel by the Rag Company. It's a really great drying towel. So the thing is, if you start with the vertical panels like I'm doing now, your drying towel will not get soaked. At least not as fast. All right, so it's actually the next day here. I just finished applying the Ultra Glaco glass sealant. This is my favorite glass sealant. I gotta leave it on here for about 5 to 10 minutes and then simply wipe it off. Then what we have left to do is add some protection to the paint and also dress the tires, and then we'll be done.